My experience was with Guardian really wonderful and amazing. 3 years ago, the same thing that happened after the most recent snowstorm happened again. And they came out 3 years ago and did a temporary fix. It was recommended strongly that I do a more permanent fix. Unfortunately, I didn't do it. I was negligent. Lo and behold, I had water leaking into my bedroom, my master bedroom, about 5 feet away from my bed. It was like a river. And a very, very nice young man came out. He spent almost 2 hours here just assessing what needed to be done. He was incredibly patient. He went up on the roof a couple of times, said that the patchwork that was done well, but I want to go further and I want to do the permanent fix. So they came yesterday, actually. They weren't supposed to come until 6 weeks from now, but they bumped me up. And I was very, very grateful that it got done. It was a very positive experience. The whole thing dealing with Guardian, they are always very, very friendly on the phone and personable and understanding and patient. Definitely would recommend Guardian to my family and friends.